Good morning and welcome to Crypto Vault. Because of the consistent turn of events and advocacy of the thoughts of the digital currency local area, the cutting-edge crypto market needs new specialized and theoretical arrangements that could further develop client cooperation with crypto. One of these undertakings is the Cosmos organization and its interior advanced coin Atom Other. Until its creation, each blockchain was disconnected and couldn't cross with the remainder of bullish on-chain measurements. Plus, it was challenging to accomplish high exchange speed. Notwithstanding, Cosmos offers another innovative vision. In Cosmos, the blockchains fill in as free equals, fueled by the Byzantine fault tolerance (BFT) calculation. The entire framework works on the Tendermint agreement made by Jae Kwon in 2014. Universe makes an environment of blockchains that can scale and interoperate. The Cosmos project has a few significant specialized highlights assisting with accomplishing the communication objectives. Versatility, Byzantine fault tolerance, proof-of-stake calculation, and cross-blockchain spans. In a couple of words, Byzantine fault tolerance (BFT) is a property of a framework fit for enduring a class of disappointments emerging from the problems of Byzantine generals. This implies that the BFT framework can keep on working, regardless of whether a portion of the hubs are down or acting noxiously. Versatility is a fundamental element of any undertaking pointed toward supporting future application advancement. Universe will probably expand its versatility utilizing other different viable organizations associated through zones. These zones work in lined up with increment exchange throughput. Each zone has its register, understanding convention, and essential language. The pose strategy depends on a bunch of semi-confided in hubs for casting a ballot by blocks. However long in excess of a fourth of the democratic hubs are straightforward, the convention will work with next to no issues. Agreement hubs need to give a portion of Atom tokens as security. Any hub that observes that it is acting with malignant expectation will be erased from the framework and its atoms will be singed. Validators, running on cross-chain spans, are synchronized with the focal Cosmos hub. Nonetheless, they additionally send off a full hub on the inverse blockchain on the opposite side of the extension to affirm that the comparing sum has been fixed. Unique tokens are impeded in a situation with a few marks until the extension confirmation instrument opens them. As needs be, it annihilates the tokens in the cross-chain. This approach permits clients to move computerized resources in various chains. Molecule is a local digital money used to pay exchange expenses at the Cosmos primary focus and take part in the agreement cycle. Universe price analysis. Universe is a decentralized organization associating free blockchains to guarantee collaboration between them. The organization works on the Tendermint agreement calculation and the engineers position it as an web of blockchains. On August 18, Atom's cost expanded by 25% from $15 to $20 after the send-off of the DeFi firewall interface called emeris. Toward the finish of August, Cosmos designers sent off a span to the Ethereum organization. Reconciliation of Sifchain, a decentralized trade DEX on Cosmos organization, with the Inter-Blockchain Communication (IBC) convention, permitted to manage exchanges among Cosmos and Ethereum networks. Interestingly, following a while of solidification, Atom United States dollar started to flood on July 24. It kept on doing as such until it arrived at new high on September 12. Particle United States dollar halted the jump on September 14, withdrawing to the past all-time high help level of $32.5, with a few days of combination around the cost region. On September 16, the Cosmos cost made another push higher. It pushed through a few hindrances before at last breaking out of a momentary combination range toward the start of September. The Atom project digital money conversion scale along these lines, past the $40 mark, laying out another untouched greatest cost of $44.42 on September 20. Universe actual price. As indicated by CoinMarketCap.com, the genuine Cosmos value as of 14th of December is $21.37. Over the course of the last day, the cost has expanded by 5.70%, and over the course of the week, it has fallen by 1%. Universe cost investigation has shown that the computerized resources expense diminished by 12.5% in a month. Additionally, its worth has expanded by 276% over the course of the year. Moreover, Atom has an ongoing coursing supply of 226,226,028 coins. Also, our clients can trade advanced coins with a credit or charge card in only a couple of snaps. Market predictions. There is a considerable amount of contest among projects attempting to tackle the association issues between blockchains. Universe's rivals incorporate new businesses like Polkadot, Aeon, and Penta. Universe offers a stage for making installments and trading data between blocks, however the issue of collaboration between blockchains is as yet important. The answer for it will permit not exclusively to make installments between blockchains yet additionally to trade data in full. In this manner, the eventual fate of the task relies upon its turn of events. It is dangerous to compose an estimate for the Atom cryptographic money, very much like for some other computerized resource, the crypto market is excessively flighty. Notwithstanding, some face challenges and voice their choices. Regardless of whether they correspond with the truth is another inquiry. As per wallet investor and digital coin price, the Atom rate will keep acquiring benefit in an issue of a year. Toward the finish of 2021, it could reach nearly $30, making it 33% of possible development. Governor Capital Cost conjecture isn't more bullish than others, since it predicts that the cost of Atom could reach $29. Numerous specialists who reason basically and don't face challenges consistently prompt in the event that you put resources into Cosmos, not to an extreme. Likewise, they help us to remember the way that such speculations ought to be seen as long haul. There will be no easy gain for this situation. Furthermore, obviously, Atom's possibilities will be impacted not just by the improvement of the actual undertaking yet in addition by the condition of the digital money market in general. Changelly urges all clients to do their own examination prior to putting resources into digital forms of money. You can likewise see the rundown of coins that will detonate in 2022. Universe Price Prediction 2022. As indicated by the specialized examination of Cosmos costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Cosmos will be $12.39. The greatest level that the Atom cost can reach is $13.84. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $12.78. Particle price forecast for May 2022. In light of the value changes of Cosmos toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Atom pace of $10.19 in March. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $9.32 and at $10.48 individually. June 2022. Cosmos price forecast. Digital money specialists are prepared to report their gauge for the Atom cost in April 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $10.01, while the greatest could reach $10.89 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Cosmos may be around $10.40. Molecule price forecast for July 2022. Crypto experts have really looked at the value variances of Cosmos in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal Atom rate they anticipate may be around $10.71 in May. It can drop to $10.22 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $11.31. August 2022. Cosmos price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the Atom cost will be exchanged at $11.14 overall. June could likewise observe an expansion in the Cosmos worth to $11.84. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $10.75 in June 2022. Molecule price forecast for September 2022. Crypto specialists have dissected Cosmos costs in 2022